Hello everyone and welcome back to Hindi Learning Hub Official. If you are preparing for UGC NET, especially if you are starting your preparation from the basic level, then this video is for you. In our previous video, we introduced UGC NET Paper 1 and discussed its all syllabus. And in today's videos, we are going to take a quick look at all the 10 units of UGC NET Paper 1. Please remember that this video is only a syllabus introduction and overview. We are not going to study the chapters and details today. In our upcoming videos, we will take each unit separately, explain the concept in simple language, discuss the important points and practice exam-oriented questions. So let's start. Unit 1 is Teaching Aptitude. In this unit, we will learn about the meaning and objectives of teaching, levels of teaching, characteristics of effective teaching and learner characteristics. We will also discuss teaching methods, teaching support system and evaluation. If you are preparing for UGC NET for the first time, don't worry. We will start this unit from the basic level and gradually move toward exam-oriented questions. Unit 2 is Research Aptitude. This is an important unit, especially for students who are interested in research and future PhD studies. Here we will learn about the meaning and characteristics of research, types and methods of research steps and research ethics. We will also discuss topics such as thesis and article writing, referencing and other research related concepts. In the detailed video, we will understand these concepts with the simple examples. Unit 3 is Comprehension. In this section, you will be given a passage and questions will be asked based on that passage. Here, simply reading the passage is not enough. You need to understand the passage quickly, identify the important information and choose the correct answer. So in our detailed video, we will also practice different types of comprehension questions step by step. Unit 4 is Communication. In this unit, we will study the meaning and characteristics of communication, different types of communication and effective communication. We will also discuss the communication barriers, classroom communication and mass media. We will try to understand these concepts with easy and practical examples so that they can become easier to remember during the examination. Unit 5 is Mathematical Reasoning and Aptitude. If mathematics makes you nervous, don't worry. We will approach this unit from the basic level. Topics may include number series, basic mathematical operation, ratio, percentage, average, profit and loss, time and distance, and other important mathematical concepts. Our aim may not be simply memorize formulas. We will focus on understanding the concepts and learning how to apply them while solving questions. Unit 6 is Logical Reasoning. This unit focuses on analyzing statements and arguments logically. We will study concepts such as arguments, deductive and inductive reasonings, analog, categorical propositions and logical structures. In the detailed lessons, we will use examples and practice questions so that you can understand the logic behind the questions instead of simply memorizing the theory. Unit 7 is Data Interpretation. In this unit, you will learn how to read and understand different forms of data. The question may be based on tables, graphs, charts, and other forms of data. The two most important things here are speed and accuracy. So in our upcoming videos, we will solve different types of data interpretation questions step by step and improve your calculation and question solving approach. Unit 8 is ICT. Means Information and Communication Technology. In today's digital world, ICT is extremely important. This unit covers areas such as computer basics, the internet, digital initiatives, communication technologies, and the use of ICT in teaching and learning. And if you don't have much knowledge about computers, don't worry. We will start from the basic level and gradually move towards exam-oriented preparation. Unit 9 is People, Development and Environment. This unit covers important areas related to population development, environmental issues, natural resources, pollution, climate change and sustainable development. We will also try to understand the relationship between people, development and the environment. Along with the concepts, we will focus on important points that can be useful from an examination perspective. And finally, Unit 10 is Higher Education System. This is the last unit of Paper 1. In this unit, we will study important aspects of the development of higher education in India, higher education institutions, policies, governance, organization and important initiatives. This unit contains a lot of factual information, so we will cover it systematically and focus on the points that are important for the examination. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and if you are preparing for UGC NET, make sure to subscribe to Hindi Learning Hub official and press the bell icon, because in our upcoming videos we are going to start studying each paper 1 unit in detail, chapter by chapter from the basic level. And I would also love to know your opinion. Which paper 1 unit do you find the most difficult? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you.